I am recreating the glass bridge from Squid Game in real life. In this video, I will show you how I made the figures using just cardboard. I asked ChatGPT for all the measurements. Basically, I created a bigger version of a Lego figure. Then I made every part that I needed on a paper. Then I cut them out and stuck them onto cardboard. After cutting out each piece, I glued them together and made more. 20 figures in total. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the full glass bridge recreation. This leg is not bending that much, which is crucial to recreate the scene when this guy bends his knees. So I cut this part and now it bends 90 degrees. After speed running through cutting, sticking, gluing, after all of this, I ended up here. This is the torso, these are the legs for the movement, the necks, the feet, and the arms, and the head. For the arms, I put hot glue on it to make it thick and cut out ink fillers to act as their hands. Now let's paint them green. Add some stickers for the detail of their costumes and add some hairs with threads. Hi, I am player 101 and I don't have eyes or a mouth until now. Bilal just edited them in and they were designed by the best artist I know, Hassan. The full recreation of Squid Game's glass bridge in stop motion is here, and how I made the bridge, that video is here.